In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Music Downloader app on your computer or on your laptop. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now I have here Music Downloader app, and as you can see, I can just go ahead and click on Get It to download it. But let me show you how you can get here. To do so, first go to your computer and then head over to this icon down here. And if you go ahead and click on it, this will go ahead and open Microsoft Store. Alternatively, you can just click on Start menu here, and then you will see Microsoft Store is here. If you click on it, it will take you to Microsoft Store. Now go ahead and look for your app. For my case, I want to download this app that can help me download music. If you can't see it here, go ahead and just search here Music Downloader, and then this will go ahead and open all related apps. As you can see, this is our first app that we want to download. To download it, you can just click on Get It, or alternatively, you can just click on it, and then it will open the app page. Go ahead and click on Get to start downloading the app. Shortly, the process will begin and the app will be downloaded on your computer. Once it is downloaded, it will be installed directly. And look at that, the download is done. Now we can go ahead and launch the app from here, or you can just click on Open to launch the app. So if I go to my desktop, you can see Music Downloader app has been installed. Once it finishes updating the engine, you can now scroll through the app and download any music that you so wish. So that's how you download and install Music Downloader app on your computer. Now, each and every time you want to go ahead and access this app, if you can see a shortcut here, you can as well use the Start menu here, and then you will see it under Start menu under recently added app. To pin it, you can just go ahead and right click on it and then choose Pin to Start, and it will be added to your Start menu. From here, each and every time you want to launch or open this app, you can directly open it from here. If this video is helpful to you, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.